This is how millions of blind people use a computer today, by listening to a voice. Screen readers were a breakthrough, but show them an image, a chart, a messy website, a video, and they go silent. And they only ever speak. There's nothing to touch, nothing to hold on to. So we asked one question: how can digital content truly be made accessible for the visually impaired? And that's how TactiKey was born. Our goal was to help blind users independently understand and interact with digital devices. The system captures what's displayed on a screen, analyzes it using AI, and generates a concise summary of the most important information. Our system doesn't just relay text, it understands the screen and explains what matters, in the same way that a sighted person would. The hard part was the Braille. A refreshable Braille display costs thousands of dollars. Our first prototype used a servo motor for every pin, and it worked but barely, as the hand-bent linkages left the pins uneven and two motors failed. So then we tried to rebuild it using 3D printed gears, but the printer's accuracy was not high enough for this to be a viable method. Finally, we rebuilt it around solenoids, which are electromagnets whose plunger pushes straight up, exactly the motion which a Braille pin needs. This is simpler, faster, and more reliable. Each one is driven by an Arduino, switching 6 channels in real time from the AI's output. There were lots of burnt out components, broken linkages, and driver circuits that overheated, but each failure pushed us towards a simpler design that actually holds up. As you can see, here it is working. As the screen changes, TactiKey reads it, summarizes it, and pushes it out as Braille, updating live under the user's hand. What's on the screen becomes something you can feel, and it goes both ways. The screen responds to audio input.
Search Google for weather.
Claude interprets what the user wants, and then the action happens, reading and control entirely without sight. TactiKey is neither limited or costs more than a laptop. It's a screen you can feel, an assistant that can see, and a step towards digital independence that doesn't depend on sight or a high price tag. That is TactiKey.